Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to capitalize names properly in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to capitalize names properly in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to capitalize names properly in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, let's press equal properly or just proper and press tab. Okay, let's choose the cell and close it. Press enter. It will automatically capitalize. Okay, autofill. Let's accept that. Control enter. Now we just ended that easy. There you go. If you want to know how to capitalize names properly in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.